Nice pull, Gerald, at 290 feet. 290 feet. Coming next will be Ron Eaton, and then we'll follow that with the repo of Derek Jensen.